You make history. You make fucking history. You know it for Africa and for Intermarché. You know it, Bini. We're so proud of you. So strong.
سلامنتاي متيلو فريدكم اللهم guys. سلامنتاي متيلو فريدكم اللهم. بينيام جرماي. بينيام جرماي سالساي مدرق تعواتاي تور دو فرانس 2024 كوينو. بينيام جرماي تعواتاي سالساي مدرق 2024 تور دي فرانس كوينو. هيستوري تاريخ يزريو. قالوا الحرق لكم يمصقون جن هيستوري نا بينيام. تاريخ ما بينيام ولا بينيام نبعلو مأمان أبي والله. وزحنا تو رياكشن كرت أني حين البات زي آخريكم.
Congrats.
مجمرينا خبكر نريوز لنا بينيام. ربع حق خاني زمنا يكون. بيني.
You make fucking history. You know it for Africa and for Intermarché.
تاريخ صريح كان أفريقيا نقولنا تا Intermarché club. I'm proud of you.
Ça c'est Bini ça.
Had been waiting for this moment for a long time. You had already been on the Tour de France, but you finally have victory in the world's greatest race. What does it mean for you?
Yeah, first of all, I would say thanks God for everything, for give me all the strength, support. Yeah, you know, it's since I started cycling, I'm never dreaming to be part of Tour de France, but now, yeah, I can't believe it. To win in Tour de France, yeah, for me was unbelievable. Thank you to my family, my wife, all the Eritrean and African. We must be proud. Now we are really part of the big races, and then we success a lot of victories. So now it's our moment, it's our time.
Our moment.
Say congrats also to my whole team, especially Jean-Francois. We didn't have a victory in Tour de France yet, but now is our moment.
Intermarché صافي عودت نزلها مالتي اب تور دي فرانس مجمرة جزء ببينيامي نشو مجمرة جزء بلالو.
And yeah, I'm super happy.
Because this is a victory for you, it's a victory for Africa.
Absolutely. I'm just super happy today.
Take us through that final kilometer, beating the best sprinters in the world.
Normally today our plan is to give lead out for Gerben Tyson. And also, if it's the circumstances really difficulty, I need to try for myself. But in the last 1K, I lose the wheel of Gerben, and then I just tried myself, and yeah, it was unbelievable.
You're making history. Enjoy the podium.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
So much, not just to Biniam Girmay, but it's the weight of history that comes with this. The first black African to win a stage of the Tour de France. It's a sea change.
First African player. ናይ መጀመርያ ጸሊም ኣብ ቱር ዲ ፍራንስ ዝዕወት ዘሎ ቅድሚ ሕጂ ዝሰርሑን ታሪኺ ግን ታዛዕበይ